This video will show how you can connect the Netrunr gateway to your Wi-Fi network as a client. This will provide a wireless backhaul link to the gateway. We use a computer connected to the LAN port to access the Netrunr gateway. Open a browser window to open the Netrunr configuration page. Enter your credentials and press the login button. Enter the wireless configuration page and press the scan button. Select the appropriate wireless network and enter the network key. Press Submit button. On the next screen, press Save. To save all the changes, press the Save and Apply button. If your computer is connected to the gateway using the Wi-Fi access point, your connection will drop when the station mode is established. To prevent configuration rollback, choose the Apply Unchecked option instead of the Save and Apply option. Using network tools, verify that the gateway is correctly connected to your wireless network. Thank you for joining us for this short video.